Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today's video, remember we buy that beautiful laser machine, engraving machine. So we got that ready and we're gonna working with that now. We're gonna do that unboxing right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna list this down and we're gonna do that eventually or after or regular intro. I'll see you then after that. Alright guys, so we are back after a regular intro and you guys seen it, we got it right here. I didn't open it, I still got it closing it like this, stuff like that. You guys see all the good stuff and just gonna do a regular cutting though. I got my little knife. This is from my regular job. So this video or this laser machine I did, that's an engraving machine. This is not gonna be something to cut or anything like that. And there it is, we got the famous. So what we got right here first is cable, USB cable for the connection to the TV, for the computer. I got a USB drive, probably about 2 gig, but this is gonna be for the software. That's cool. We got key, L key, and some screwdriver design, some stuff. So we got our engraving for test, so that's probably for test stuff. This is the manual, and it looks like we got also some stuff for cleaning and engraving too. So you can see the cable, manual, tools and screw, software, and something for test. So from that, I'm gonna put this one out, and this, here we go with machine. Oh, it's coming with full assembly. Oh, that's cool. So I don't have to do that much. All right, so let's put this out, and here's the machine and the lacing and everything. So this coming pre-assembling already, so we can see it. We're gonna put, I can see this right there. This is the machine, part of them. We're gonna put this right there. See what we got right here. Got something nice over here. I'm assuming this is gonna be the power supply. Guys. There it is. That's the power supply. So that's our power supply. It's a 12-volt power supply by 5 amp, so it's got full safety glasses. Cool. Got some nice safety glasses. This gotta be the cheap one. So you should buy. You get this one. You should buy something better. Let's see how I look. Look good? Yeah. All right. Let's keep going. All right. I don't see anything now. There was a lot of phone and stuff like that for packing. Yep, I don't see anything. That's it. So that was everything on this bus. Let's see what we got behind here. Alright, we don't have anything behind over there. So nothing over here, nothing over there. That's the rest of the bus. We're gonna use the bus to put this together. Alright, so I assume this is the whole machine and stuff, so I'm not see that much of complication over here, just besides like plugging and connecting cables and stuff like that. Alright, so ready opening, ready everything. You guys can see it. This is how this is coming in. This is the laser. I was expecting a bigger laser. This thing is small, super small. But for what I pay, guys, this is the cheaper laser engraving machine you will find anywhere. So, talking about, I paid when I was first trying to order it, it was $61, and then when I went to the second time because something went wrong, it went up to $79. But fine. When I checked it out a few days later, still $89. I think everybody started ordering, and they realized there was a good sale, so people even buy them. I'm gonna do a full review because I see people they don't know how to use it, and we're gonna do this on the next video. We're gonna put it together and we go on from that, guys. And I'll see you into the next one.